You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located on both sides of the arm, then slide the blade outwards to remove it. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down the arm of the wiper and clip it. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift the wiper blade arm up. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.